डी मेसारू के एमएससी फिजिक्स के बच्चों को 203 जो स्टैटिस्टिकल एंड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स है उसके शायद आई थिंक इट इज़ ए यूनिट ऑफ फोर्थ और फिफ्थ यूनिट के सिलेबस है थर्मोडायनेमिक्स लॉ एंड बेसिक स्टैटिस्टिकल रिलेशन एंट्रोपी एंड सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एडियाबेटिक एक्सप्रेशन और कंप्रेशन heat engine and refrigerator third law of thermodynamics and phase of transition तो फर्स्टली वी स्टडी thermodynamics law of thermodynamics first zeroth law of the thermodynamics zeroth law of thermodynamics give the information about the temperature the statement is that if two bodies are separately thermal equilibrium with a third body then two bodies are also in thermal equilibrium like this is body A and body B which is are separate. Body A and body B are separate and body A is thermally connected with body C and body B is also connected with the body C. इसके चारों तरफ एक आइसोलेटेड वाल लगा देंगे such that any heat not come into enter and not go outside. Separately A and B are separate and A is thermally connected with C and B is also thermal equilibrium with C. Then zeroth law of thermodynamics says that A and B are also in thermal equilibrium. This also in thermal equilibrium. A and B are also in thermal equilibrium. This is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Statement: the zeroth law of the thermodynamics states that if two bodies A and B are each separately in thermal equilibrium, if A and B are if two bodies A and B are separately in thermal equilibrium, each separately in thermal equilibrium with a third body C, then A and B are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. Zeroth law of the thermodynamic state that if two bodies A and B are each separately in thermal equilibrium with a third body C, then A and B are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. A and B are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. This is all about the zeroth law of the thermodynamics. Um, Significance of zeroth law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Significance of zeroth law of thermodynamics. First significance is that uh, temperature is a measurement of coldness and hotness of the body. Temperature is the measurement of coldness and hotness of the body. Actually, zeroth law of the thermodynamic tells about the temperature. It tells about the temperature, and temperature is the measurement of coldness and hotness of the body. Second, temperature is a property which tells where a system is in thermal equilibrium with another system or not. Temperature is a property which tells where a system is in thermal equilibrium with another system. Thermal equilibrium with another system or not. With another system or not. Temperature is a property which tells where a system is in thermal equilibrium or not. It is all about zeroth law of the thermodynamics. First law of the thermodynamics. In the first law of the thermodynamics is that if a small amount of the heat is given, if a small amount of heat given to a system, then it some amount of the heat it increase its internal energy, and some amount of heat do some external work. This first law of the thermodynamics equation, if delta q amount of the heat given to a system that increase internal energy of the substance and do some external work. This is equation of first law of the thermodynamics. This is understands with the help of cylinder gas gas cylinder system in which a piston is situated at the upper side, which is free to move. This is isolated valve, and this is a connecting valve. There is a gas which is filled in the cylinder, and we give a heat, a small amount of heat to the thermodynamic system with the help of burner. Then the if a heat given to a gas molecule, then its kinetic energy increases, and it exerts some pressure on the inner side of piston. Due to this pressure, the piston goes in the upper side. This is external work. This is external work, and the increase in internal energy. This is the internal energy, and this is a amount which is given to the system. This is the first law of the thermodynamics. Uh, Work delta W. Delta W is also written as PdV. Pressure is constant and volume is increases. Delta W equal PdV. It is a very useful and important formula. Delta Q equal to del U PdV. It is always remember this formula because this formula is used in many type of numericals. And statement of the first law of the thermodynamics is that if an infinitesimal amount of heat is given to the system, then its some part of it is used to do some external work, and its remaining part is used to change its internal energy. Statement: if an infinitesimal amount of heat some part is used to do external work, and remaining remaining part is used to change internal energy of the system. This is the statement of first law of the thermodynamics. यहाँ पे एक नोट्स लिखेंगे. Note: the first law of the thermodynamics is also known as energy conservation. Law of energy conservation. First law is form of energy conservation. First law is a form of energy conservation. इक्वेशन को यहाँ पे रीराइट कर लें. डेल्टा क्यू del U plus delta W, and also it is written as delta Q equal to delta U plus PdV, and also this is integrable dV. This is also one form. This is also another form. This is also another form. First law signifies that heat is a form of energy. Heat is heat and work are mutually convertible. Heat and work are mutually convertible. This first law signifies that these two significance है. And limitation of the first law of thermodynamics. Limitations. First law. First limitations. First law does not tells that the process is possible or not. First law does not tell that the process is possible or not. Second, the first law does not tells direction of the process. The first law does not tells direction of process. This is the true limitation of the first law of the thermodynamics, and it has huge application of the first law of the thermodynamics. But here I only mention about the law of thermodynamics. Then second law of thermodynamics. The best example of second law of the thermodynamics is a heat engine or refrigerator. We can second law of the thermodynamics we can stand with the help of refrigerator, because heat engine is a very complex things. The second law of thermodynamics heat engine, heat engine like रेफ्रिजरेटर AC, इसका अगर वर्क फंक्शन अगर हम समझ लेते हैं रेफ्रिजरेटर और हीट का, देन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद अबाउट द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ द थर्मोडायनेमिक. How does work freeze a refrigerator? Refrigerator has a internal 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 area of the refrigerator, and this is the outer area of the refrigerator. This is this is surrounding, and this is universe. This is a universe surrounding, or this is a closed system. um, Internal side of refrigerator, we can understand the work function of the refrigerator. So what do refrigerator has one machine which can cool the inner area. How cold? If we connected with AC supply, and AC supply take a heat from inner side, take heat from inner side and give to the universe, and this heat given to the universe, then basically the universe has at high temperature, the minimum temperature is 35 degrees centigrade or 40 degrees centigrade, it is a temperature of surround atmosphere, and inner side temperature is decreases. So this is at higher temperature, this is at lower temperature. This is a higher temperature, inverse at higher temperature, or surround or uh, environment at higher temperature, and internal area in lower temperature. And what we do in these things, we take a heat from lower temperature and given to a high temperature. Take a heat lower temperature and given to the high temperature. This in this process, uh, important role of AC supply is that it works. It works without AC supply. We can't take a heat from lower temperature given to the higher temperature. This works and take a heat. Without work, we can't take a heat, and this is given to the higher temperature. This is the second law of the thermodynamics. The second law of the thermodynamics states that without doing a external work, we can't take the heat from a lower temperature and given to the high temperature. And it is also say that it is also said that in inverse form, if for a heat engine, if a heat is given to, if a heat given to, and inverse heat engine also example of second law of the thermodynamics. There is a high temperature and lower temperature, and this is the working substance. uh, the heat engine take a heat from a high temperature, take a heat from high temperature. Let us take q1 amount of the heat absorbed from higher temperature, and do some external work, and some external work do some external work. And in this process, we can't convert total amount of heat into the work, but some amount of the heat rejected by this machine to the lower temperature sink. This is a sink at temperature T2. This is a working substance. This is a diagram of heat engine. The example of sub end of thermodynamics, like any kind of machine, like diesel engine. Diesel engine, one example, take a tractor. What do tractor, if we uh, there is some fuel given to the tractor, then it fuel is burned, and this fuel give a heat to the tractor, and this heat convert into the work. Tractor do some work which is also we can see, and some amount of heat which is given to the units, because total heat can't convert into the work. This is a, but this is the project, how we construct a machine which convert the all the heat into the work, because it is efficient for us, but it is naturally not possible. Total amount of heat converts into the work some amount of the heat which is given to the surrounding. This is the second law of the thermodynamics, and many scientists gives statement. Lord Kelvin, Planck also give a statement. Clausius, these are scientists give a statement. Lord Kelvin statement: it is impossible to get a continuous supply of work from a body by cooling its a temperature lower than that of surrounding. यही बात कह रहे हैं. It is not possible to continuous supply of the heat from lower temperature to the higher temperature without doing external work. This is Lord Kelvin statement. We can write second law of the thermodynamics by the statement of Lord Kelvin. It is impossible to get a continuous supply. It is impossible to get a supply